Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to solve simultaneous equations with different coefficients. For example, 5x minus 3y is equals to 18, 2x plus 4y is equals to 54. So here you can see in both the equations, the coefficient of x and y, they are different from each other. And in the elimination method, we need at least one of the variables should have the same coefficient. So to do so, we have to multiply the first equation as well as second equation with some number. And how we can decide that? So the coefficient of x in the first equation is 5. The coefficient of x in the second equation is 2. So we need to find out what is the LCM of it. So the LCM for this is 10. That means we need to change the coefficient of x in both the equation equals to 10. So if I will multiply 5 with 2, it will change to 10. If I multiply 2 with 5, it will change to 10. So we will get here two different equations. So multiply here 2 into 5x minus 2 into 3y is equals to 2 into 18. The equation will be 10x minus 6y is equals to 36. Let it be equation number 3. Then the second equation we need to multiply with 5. 5 into 2x plus 5 into 4y is equals to 5 into 54. So we will get here 10x plus 20y is equals to 270. Let it be equation number 4. Now, in equation number 3, we have 10x. In equation number 4, we have 10x. If we want to eliminate it, we need to subtract the equation. So we always subtract left-hand side with the left-hand side and right-hand side with the right-hand side. I'll put here negative, then a bracket because within the bracket, I have here two different values is equals to 36 minus 270. Now we will open the bracket 10x minus 6y minus 10x minus 20y is equals to minus 234. Now we will write the variables together, similar variables 10x minus 10x minus 6y minus 20y is equals to minus 234. Since it is 10x, this one is minus 10x. 10x minus 10x is 0. So we will just cross these two values. That means we are not going to include it further. Now minus 6y minus 20y means minus 26y is equals to minus 234. So y will be equals to minus 234 over minus 26. So negative and negative sign will cancel, and if you will simplify it further, you will get it equals to 9. So we got the value of y is equals to 9. Now we have to calculate the value of x, and to calculate the value of the x, we have to substitute this value of y in any of the one equations. So let's take the first equation. It is 5x minus 3y is equals to 18. If y is equals to 9, now we have to substitute the value of y as 9. 5x minus 3 into 9 is equals to 18. 5x minus 27 is equals to 18. 27, if we will take to this side, we'll get here 5x is equals to 18 plus 27, which is equals to 45. So 5x is equals to 45, and if we want to calculate x is equals to, it will be 45 over 5, which is equals to 9. So we got the value of x is equals to 9. So in this case, the value of x is 9 and the value of y is 9. Now, if you want to check your answer, whether your answer is right or wrong, what you have to do, you have to substitute these values of x and y in the equations. That is first and second. So let's understand that part also. If I will substitute the value of x and y in the equation 1 and 2, so first I'll write on here left hand side. So 5x, in place of x I need to write down 9, minus 3y, in place of y I need to write down here 9, and then I'll solve it. I'll get here 45 minus 27, and if you will solve it, you will get it equals to 18, and which is equals to the right hand side. In the second equation, the left hand side is 2x. So in place of x, it's 9 plus 4y. 4 into 9. In place of y, we have 9 is equals to, if I'll solve it, I'll get here 18 plus 36, which is equals to 54, which is equals to right hand side. So when I substitute the value of x and y as 9 in both the equations, my left hand side is equals to right hand side. That means your solution is absolutely right. So I hope you can solve the simultaneous equations easily by the elimination method, but make your concepts of integers strong so that you won't make any mistake in the working and will get the right answer. If you have liked my video, like the video, share it, and also write the comment in the comment section so that it will give me lots of motivation to keep going. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.